Best bodyweight moves for beginners.
Looking to get fit without any equipment? Discover 5 simple but powerful bodyweight exercises that are perfect for beginners. These movements target multiple muscle groups, help you build strength quickly, and can be done anywhere. Ready to see fast results? Let's dive into the essentials for jumpstarting your fitness journey.
Push-ups, classic upper body strength.
Push-ups are a foundational exercise that strengthens your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Whether you start with traditional push-ups or modified knee push-ups, this move builds muscle and improves core stability. Push-ups also boost cardiovascular health by engaging many muscles at once. Focus on form instead of speed for best results.
Bodyweight squats. Power up your legs.
Squats are a must for lower body strength. They work your quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and even your core. Stand tall, lower down as if sitting into a chair, and rise back up with control. Squats also support healthy joints and improve balance, making daily movements easier and safer.
Planks. Build a solid core.
Planks are excellent for developing core strength and improving posture. Hold your body in a straight line from head to heels, resting on elbows and toes. Planks engage your abdominals, lower back, and shoulders. Start with short holds and gradually increase your time as you get stronger.
Glute bridges. Strengthen your backside.
Glute bridges target your glutes, lower back, and hamstrings. Lie on your back with knees bent, lift your hips towards the ceiling, and squeeze at the top. This exercise not only tones your lower body, but also helps prevent lower back pain and improve hip flexibility. Key for beginners.
Mountain climbers. Cardio and core booster.
Mountain climbers combine cardio with core strengthening. Start in a push-up position and alternate, bringing your knees towards your chest quickly. This dynamic exercise raises your heart rate, works your abs and shoulders, and burns calories in a short amount of time. Great for overall conditioning.
Get started for quick results.
Incorporate these 5 bodyweight exercises into your routine, aiming for consistent effort and gradual progress. Remember, good form matters more than speed or repetitions. With these beginner-friendly moves, you'll build strength, boost energy, and see noticeable improvements. No special equipment needed. Start today and experience just how effective simple exercises can be.